Discover the urgent changes in YouTube's policy that could impact your content. Learn about the 7 niches that are at risk of being banned and what you need to do to protect your channel. Your channel could face demonetization as YouTube quietly tightens its policies. Creators are experiencing strikes and bans without warning, and the platform isn't communicating these changes clearly. AI-generated content is now under scrutiny. Relying solely on AI for your content could lead to demonetization as YouTube targets inauthentic content. Human presence and unique value are essential. Prank and challenge content involving public disturbances, dangerous stunts, or harassment is being flagged more frequently. Even seemingly harmless content can lead to serious risks for your channel. Get-rich-quick schemes and finance content are being flagged for missing disclaimers and potential fraud. Partnering with financial regulators, YouTube is cracking down on misleading content. Health and medical misinformation policies have expanded. Content with unproven cures or extreme diets is at risk. Ensure your content is backed by professional advice to avoid penalties. Re-uploading news without transformation is being penalized. YouTube demands originality, and copyright strikes are more common for unaltered news clips. Weapons and firearms content, even if previously considered safe, is now under increased scrutiny. Legal content does not guarantee safety from enforcement. Gambling content without age verification is high risk. Global laws are changing, and ad revenue is restricted. Compliance is crucial to avoid penalties. To protect your channel, read the guidelines, add necessary disclaimers, and diversify your content strategy. Treat policy compliance as seriously as your upload schedule.